And people struggling with substance abuse disorders can find social isolation during the coronavirus particularly stressful. MTN's Marin Su, that is, spoke with mental health professionals to find out what resources are available to help cope while you're at home.
The word social distancing, I mean, it's really cut off a lot of people from support systems and things like that. And so I think that initially had a big impact and continues to.
Dr. Doug Muir, North Valley Behavioral Health Director, says isolation can really negatively affect those struggling with substance use disorders.
It's a way of coping with whether it's anxiety or stress or depression, and so we tend to fall back on what we feel works for us.
But there is hope. There are resources for people while they're at home, even if they don't have access to a health professional via telehealth.
He says there are tons of free online videos people can view.
Deep breathing exercises, something for emotional regulation like dialectical behavioral therapy. There's a lot of good things on that, a lot of good things on mindfulness. There's just a lot of really good resources out there.
Clinical professional counselor Michael Edwards says you don't have to navigate your disorder alone. Reach out for help.
Montana, that has some of the highest rates of alcohol misuse and other drug use, and that's coupled with the stigma for seeking mental health treatment, and a lot of folks feel very alone about that. One study found that about 90% of individuals with mental health or addictions issues don't receive treatment, and that's with stigma. So that further adds to the isolation.
Dr. Muir adds if you're already attending Alcoholics Anonymous to keep going to maintain a normal schedule. He says AA meetings are now all online, and Dr. Muir reminds people you're not alone.
We are all in this together, and the best way for us to get through it together is by reaching out and accessing those support systems and still keeping up communication with folks.
In Whitefish, Marin Su, MTN News.
And both doctors ask that if you're struggling with any sort of addiction or mental health disorder, please reach out to a professional for help. And this story is part of Rebound Montana, a series aimed at helping you and your family find resources and ideas to help get you through these challenging times. We want to help, so if you have an idea for a story or want to share an experience with us, head on over to ktvh.com/rebound or email us at rebound@ktvh.com.